Well, recent studies show there are advantages to having women in executive roles. And Wall Street is hoping a bet on gender diversity will pay off. For more on this, I took a closer look at financial products that tap into female talent.
Barclays Bank recently rang the bell at the New York Stock Exchange to launch its latest investment product, an exchange-traded note, or ETN, that is betting on women.
In this case, by investing in an exchange-traded note, what you're really doing is buying Barclays debt that will pay you as if you had invested in all of the companies in this index.
The fund tracks an index that includes companies like Yahoo, PepsiCo, and General Motors, who all have female CEOs. It also includes General Electric, Pfizer, and Verizon, where at least 25% of their board members are women. They are companies that stand out for having strong female leadership. Women make up less than 5% of CEOs and roughly 17% of board seats at Fortune 500 companies. But David Navick, Chief Investment Officer for ETF.com, says he isn't convinced investors will buy into the new fund.
People, when they have their sort of social hat on, they tend to think about the products that they're buying, the places they're going, the kinds of media that they're consuming. Often they then turn that part of their brain off when they go to make an investing decision.
Just because a business is owned by a woman doesn't mean it's going to be successful.
Susan Stellick is a professor of management communication at NYU Stern. She says what is key to a business's success is diversity of all kinds.
If you have diverse teams, and the research shows it, the experience shows it, that you have better decision making because you're not just reflecting each other's opinion, you're actually challenging.
She says asking the tough questions in business leads to better solutions in an increasingly global and diverse world.
And what about Barclays' record on gender diversity? Well, out of 14 board members, only 3 are women, which means it wouldn't qualify to be a part of its new ETN. But that's no really surprise. The world of finance is known as an old boys club.